On Tuesday, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck outside of Mexico City, causing massive damage in the area and killing more than 250 people, while trapping and injuring many more. More than 30 buildings collapsed in the city as a result of the quake, which took place on the day of the 32nd anniversary of a magnitude 8 quake that killed over 10,000. In the wake of this latest quake, the city has responded with residents volunteering their time, money and effort to help their neighbors. Among the many who have answered the call for help were several professional poker players, including Mexican natives J.C. Alvarado and Angel Gillen, as well as American transplant Aaron Vinn. The three have been providing supplies to those impacted by the quake and have also reached out to the poker community to raise more funds for things like stoves, lamps and more. The Mexican poker community got together for stoves and rescue kits, but we need your help. To buy more info and following tweet, pic.twitter.com/MIAO4FPCBM, JC Alvarado at JCALVARADO1 September 20, 2017. In an Instagram post early on Thursday, September 21, Alvarado said the following: "Today started with my friend Alfredo texting me at 6 a.m. saying I think I have 200 lamps that might help. 7 hours later we had $500 stoves, wheelbarrows, hundreds of helmets, gloves, vests, belts, shovels, at least 6,800 more lamps, baby products, food, electrical tools, generators, medicine, and 100 people coming and going just to help." By the end, we took our last bit of material and went out to the disaster zones in several cars to try to help. We got turned down from 5 places because they had too many volunteers. It's been the scariest 36 hours of my life. I haven't slept, I can barely spit out a coherent thought, and I still feel like I haven't done nearly enough. I'm overwhelmed with emotions by the solidarity I've seen here. Everyone is eager to help. From all of my Mexican poker friends getting together to do work, to the wonderful people feeding us, to the Uber driver who brought me home saying he's been driving for 36 hours non-stop for free. And the global poker community sending donations for us. You're all amazing. My faith in humanity is at an all-time high. We're still taking donations until further notice. We will likely try to purchase medicine and tools for Morelos tomorrow. Link to donate in Profiler on Twitter. Just please DM me a screenshot of your donation for accounting purposes. To learn more about the poker players' efforts and how you can help, check out Alvarado's Twitter profile by clicking here at JCALVARADO1.